Alrighty, I have our 2022 Volkswagen Atlas out here, and it's time to change the cabin filter. It's about 15,000 miles. We've had this over a year. I paid the registration, which is not cheap, and I picked this up at Amazon. Spearhead. It says Breeze Easy cabin filter with activated charcoal and 2 times heavier than standard cabin filters. We're gonna see how it is compared to OEM and see how challenging it is to remove and replace the cabin filter in here. You do want to replace the cabin filter because it does get dirty because all that stuff outside. So again, I got it from Amazon. It's much cheaper than the OEM stuff. Let's see how it compares.
I first thought the cabin filter would be here. That's wrong. So it's actually behind here. So first thing you gotta do is push this tab thing for the damper down, and then that lets you kind of yank it out this way. So now that's the shock, right? So now if I drops, it just slams. Now you have 2 tabs here that you gotta get to. One's right here. Push that. Yeah, you actually have to push it more. You really have to push that. And then that one wants to kind of back up, so you kind of have to put some pressure. It's like you're fighting gravity on both sides. Okay, there we go. So now you can drop faster. And I pop this out. I didn't break it. I didn't break it. It's kind of stuck in there like a little, what do you call it? Yeah, that pop back. Chicken thing. So now, see if you can see it. There's 3 tabs. Let's see if we can get to it. Oh man. Kind of hard to get these tabs. There's 3 tabs holding this. You see it kind of give. So you just have to put a little bit of pressure, and there's these little tiny detents. You can see it here. See it? Pretty shallow detents. So you gotta push it down to get it up, and then once you're done, you push it up and then snap it in. So I'm just doing it in that same direction so I don't mess myself up. VWAG. Okay, we can see some leaves right there. I don't know if you can see it. Is there any arrows? That arrow is pointing downward, so that means the flow is going from top to bottom, which makes sense. It's coming from the top front by the hood down, and you're gonna be surprised. Like I can see crap in there, so trying to make sure I don't spill too much. Can I pull it straight out? Oh wait, picked up some crap. Look at that. Got some leaves. So, physically speaking, it's actually time to change it. Is that a bug? Anyways. Oh yeah, this is time. 15,000 miles. I've seen worse though. So let's get the new one out and compare it to the aftermarket. So, definitely a good chance, or a good reason to change this filter. OEM versus aftermarket, and it looks like about the same thickness, dimensions as well. The material, it feels really good, like thick. They both do. This side has a carbon dark gray inside. I'm not sure if this is carbon or not. It doesn't look like carbon, and it's yellow. Again, pointing downward, so this is a downward motion. And this one also has a airflow for crown downing and a little bit more clear to see. So if you want to change it 10,000 miles, this is 15,000. Again, you can see how nasty it is in there, picking up stuff. So dimension wise, it looks good. But like it's cheaper. So let's bring it back in. Slide it back. Looks like it fits nice.
Oops. I'm gonna put 3 here. Put it back in the hole in there. And push it. 3 clicks. Hear that? Okay, 3 clicks. Okay, this is good. Alright. Now, bring this up. Move this to the side a little bit. And then hold. Okay. Whoops. Okay, nice. Let's do that. Yep. I'm gonna push it this way because I bent it. Yep. Yep. So you just push it a little harder to get underneath those 2 tabs you pushed out. Now it's back to where it was. So if you do pop that out like I did, like a dummy, you can just push this back in, or if you didn't, you could just push this back through here and up. And now it's back to the way it was. Whew, and that was it. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested in getting this, VVC cabinet filter, I got a link to Amazon right there.